Ave tissue mo. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Tax Stadium. Tax 1. Ay, kikin not on. Hey,
Not tax.
why go rata
No,
tata
no, it's tax one.
Tax 1. Right, this is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Amatax Stadium. Amatax North, JDR 1. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Ngobo, I'm happy and I'm also very sad. I'm happy because one of the team here, Pretoria, he win.
Win, yeah.
I always tell my brothers, for I'm half JDR, I'm also half Amatax.
Amatax, yeah.
Because you know why I'm saying I'm half JDR? I'm half JDR because JDR is playing at Kasiaka, Kososhanguve.
Giants Stadium.
Yeah, they brought football to the people.
Yeah.
And I also want to challenge Mole, my brother. He must fill up the Giant Stadium.
Yeah.
And I'm sad because of team tax lose it.
Yeah.
And let me tell you the stats. We played many times, but we beat them once. They beat us once. We draw four times. Today they beat us twice.
Yeah.
It shows you what the boss of Pretoria.
Yeah.
The boss of
Boss, okay, man, come on.
we beat you twice. No, not banking the preliminary. We don't talk about preliminary.
Exactly. Yeah, we're talking about the league. Yeah.
We're talking about the real stuff.
Exactly. Yeah.
But according to the stats, win is a win.
Yeah.
That means it showed that we beat you twice.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
But he already said that boss Ogolo, you are the bosses.
I'm giving them the title.
Yeah,
I'm giving them the title.
Yeah.
That's the title.
Yeah.
And you know why I always call JDR stars picking it. They always play with young blood. They've got young players.
Yeah.
Look at the guy who scored today, 19-year-old Sfiso.
Yeah.
He's a very good player. I wish Coach Nemasisi accommodate that boy because that guy is knocking go under 23. He's one knock
Very soon.
because
Anyway, I'm saying Hugo Bruce. He likes young blood.
young blood.
Yeah.
That's why I always call them picking it because they play with young talent.
Yeah.
And there's one thing about Coach Nemesis. He's got the eye of a player. Yeah, he doesn't have a team of people who scout, and he went there to the games and scout himself. Then brought the player to the team.
Yeah.
JDR Stars, congratulations for your win today, and I hope re tlo kopana go di playoffs. I hope re tlo kopana go di playoffs.
Unfortunately, we are going straight to the PSL.
No, PSL ke yaka.
If you can't beat them, you must do what?
Join them.
Are you joining them?
He already
But he already said he's half JDR.
Yeah.
No, we want loaf bread.
One food.
Full loaf bread. We want the loaf bread. We don't want half.
Ngwabo, I can't be full. Go JDR because of remember University of Pretoria. They pay my salary.
Oh yes.
They are taking care of my children. So
Yeah.
JDR doesn't pay me. I just love JDR.
Also, you support JDR, but you work at Amatax.
Yeah, I'm permanently employed at the University of Pretoria.
Like, did you hear that? I think that's fair because unless if you want to hire him, it's fine. He can give you a full loan.
And if bang hire, I'm only available for post year coach.
No, that's not fair too. Jens, JDR.
Yeah.
Jeff, ne?
Yeah.
And Mulim. How do you feel about the game too? I saw you were struggling in the beginning, but at least in the second half, you made two crucial chances and you ultimately won the game. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, so far I'm so excited. Just because we've won the game and it wasn't easy.
Yeah,
it's a derby game. Yeah, that's why my brother. That's one derby. Yeah. So, nearly tough, but just because of win, it's a win.
At least,
Because of I was staying with some other guy there, the red lock one. Okay. More problem. Second half because
you're a bit worried.
ne lose too much ball. Like re tshwara ball for 2 minutes and then re strike regret.
No,
So, but
one touch,
anyway,
two touches.
to take a winning game, our co-chairman, he was playing. Suppose I did too much.
Yeah.
Or
Can I-
and I even told him,
Yeah.
Gaga have time me, the way we make the chance thing. I'm going to punish you.
And you did punish him.
And hate.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Coach Nemesis, he watches Amatax more than his own team.
That's why he beat you today.
That is why he analyzed my team.
Yeah.
So he's the mastermind of the game.
Each and every home game, he's here.
Yeah.
He's watching our team more than his own team.
I think he must teach your coach something. Maybe your coach must watch his team
and the
more
last
than
time
his
we played,
team.
They must learn from the best.
Exactly.
We are JDR stars.
Yeah.
We are working with pride.
Yeah.
There's something that I want to say, and it's very important. Coach Nemesis, the last time we played home game here, he was with a couple of his players to come and analyze Amatax with his own players. They just come with their own technical team.
Exactly. Yeah.
But that time he came with his own players to analyze, to say this is the weak point. This is a weak point.
It's a good thing. Yeah.
It's a very good thing. Mara, it shows you happen or what a time.
What a soul. Yeah. Let's come to Mulimo. Mulimo, my brother. I saw you were very happy, excited, and all that. How do you feel about the game today?
No, the game was so fantastic, my brother. I know
Is it fantastic because of you have won, or maybe it's because of like the football play that you were exercising today?
You know the University of Pretoria, when they're not playing aeroplane, helicopter.
Yeah.
When they're not playing, we are weak. They are so weak. I saw them. They were creating chances at the first half game.
Yeah. But they didn't use them. Yeah.
No, actually they were relying on someone.
Yeah.
They say, another small boy used to say, use Ziba.
Yeah.
Panyoni.
Yeah.
So now someone is not anymore there. It's at the Richards Bay. So I feel sorry for them. And then I already told my brother to bring a lot of tissues because they're going to cry.
And you know what surprised me is that one of your best strikers was not there, and you managed to beat them without that
Prince Numa.
Yeah.
I even told my brother Jeff, said our striker is not there.
Yeah.
But this one, we must plan with the wingers.
And Pelalo, you were coming here for a draw.
No,
to be honest.
No, I think it was our tactics to beat them because of they were aware that Prince is not there.
Yeah.
So they were.
But the draw was a win for you.
Yeah, especially if you are playing away.
Yeah, exactly.
Draw it.
No, we know the wingers. We know that. With the speed.
Yeah.
We know that. The left back and the right back, they were too slow. So we know that if we can use the people that are fast, then we're going to get something.
No, thank you very much, my brother.
Yeah, thank you.
Our boys.
Yeah, thank you. I'm giving them the breaking rights up until the next assignment. They are in JDR. Yeah, they
remember today. Mark the date of today. Today it's
the
15th of September 2024. As I said before, we are going straight to the PSL.
Exactly.
We will be playing playoffs. Yeah, we are going straight to the PSL.
And every season, that's what you normally say. Yeah. And last season you did that. And I think you didn't play in the playoffs last season. He plays in the playoffs with Baroka and
those I was there when the big Baroka family. That player was very big because
So thanks, brother.
Thank you.
No, you must win next time, eh? Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you.
Thank you for supporting the channel.
Please subscribe to
Nobo 2010 Sharp Eye.
Nobo 2010 Sharp Eye.
Eitada.